Welcome to the screencast on coding text in Transana. This screencast demonstrates how to apply codes to selections in text data. Text selections coded using this method in Transana are referred to as quick quotes because they can be created extremely fast and efficiently. For this analysis, we will use a data set where we want to analyze a set of advertisements. Our data set includes a number of advertisement videos, as well as several text documents about the company and product from the company website that are also part of their marketing endeavors. Right now, we want to focus on one of the text documents. We will start by opening the text document, History of Coca-Cola, in the Coca-Cola library. Because this is a demonstration screencast, we have already created some keywords to represent the codes we wish to add. You will probably need to create new keywords during the coding process. Please also note that we do not have any collections listed in the collections node of the database tree at this time, as we are starting a new analysis. Let's select the text we want to include in our first quick quote. This text describes the discovery of the formula for a new beverage in 1886. Once the selection is made, we can code this selection by right-clicking or command-clicking on macOS the keyword we would like to use to code it. I'll right-click the Innovation keyword in the Company History keyword group that I created earlier and select Create Quick Quote from the pop-up menu. That's it. Our first quick quote has been created. But before we move on, let's have a look at what happened in case you missed part of it. First, let's look at our collections, which is where Transana gathers all data selections. You can see that there is a new collection called Quick Quotes and Clips. That collection wasn't there before. When we look in the Quick Quotes and Clips collection, we see a quote named History of Coca-Cola, Quick Quote 1. This is the first quick quote we created. Transana automatically names quick quotes as they are created based on the ID of the document the quick quote is created from. You'll also notice that the coding we applied shows up in the visualization window. The blue bar shows the position of our current selection, and if we hold the mouse over the bar, Transana shows us the keyword we applied that the bar represents. If we double-click the quote in the collection in the database tree, Transana loads it into a new tab in the document window. As you can see, it shows only the portion of text that we had highlighted from the source document. Now let's return to our source document by closing the Quote tab in the document window. Now let's make a second selection in the document. I want to apply two codes, so I'll double-click the Marketing keyword, which is functionally equivalent to the right-click selection we made before, and then I'll also double-click the Growth of the Company keyword. When adding the second keyword, Transana recognizes that we already have a quick quote with the text selection indicated, and it adds the new keyword to the existing quick quote rather than creating another quick quote that's nearly identical. Transana gives us a message letting us know about this issue. We can go to the Options menu and turn off that warning message if we want to. Now let's create our next quick quote. This time, the text we want is a single sentence. We'll just click in that sentence rather than making a selection. When a quick quote is created with no text selection, Transana automatically selects the full sentence surrounding the cursor in that document. So now we'll double-click the Company History Innovation keyword. Finally, there may be times in your analysis when you want to focus on coding a single concept. To facilitate this approach to analysis, Transana allows you to select a keyword in the database tree and apply that keyword easily to any selection you make in the document. To demonstrate this, we'll select the Company History Expansion keyword in the data window. We'll now make a selection of the document and create a quick quote. Pairing this text with the selected keyword. We can either press the Create Quick Quote or Clip button in the document toolbar, or we can press Control-K on Windows or Command-K on macOS to trigger quick quote creation using the keyword selected in the database tree. If we want to apply the same keyword to multiple selections in the document, we can now make a new selection and press the toolbar button again, or press Control or Command-K. One final tip. When you've spent some time creating quick quotes and clips for a particular analytic purpose, you have the option to rename the quick quotes and clips collection to something that indicates that analytic purpose. That way, you'll know that all the quick quotes and clips in that collection have one thing in common, as identified by the collection name. And when you go to create new quick quotes or clips afterwards, Transana will automatically create a new quick quotes and clips collection for you.